No, just say turn on the on button.
So you're going to press the on button, and you will notice that lights will begin to display on the workstation. It takes a few minutes for the computer screens to come up.
Are we waiting for the stuff to boot up first?
Yes, we have to wait for this.
You don't have to do anything down there?
That is just if you're going to use the Canon tube. But if you're going to spot or do fluoro, you need this one. Oh, no, we're not done yet.
Not even 1/16
no,
of the
not
way.
1/16 of the way.
1/32.
No, we're about that far.
1/396.
Could be any multiple factor of 8.
You should never say 8.
You ate.
I'm eating.
I know, I'm sorry.
It's entirely Chris's fault.
Dr. Roland does like to spot.
Use the spooter.
So you have to make sure that you have the lead apron on the table and the X-ray tube over the lead. And I always make sure that we're at the 1100 SID, not at the 15. Just hit that button and it'll bring it down to the 11.
Is this like the serums? It takes like 2 minutes or something.
Something, yeah, for it to run its check.
Right.
Yeah, it's almost ready.
It's doing self-checks.
Yeah.
No, it's Chenkai checks.
It's what?
Chenkai check.
Chenkai check. Check, check, check.
Where's the song?
Testing 1 2 1 2. Check, check.
Mike check. Who's Mike?
Check.
Kill Mike.
So usually when I come in, I go ahead and I turn it on and I go out and put the lead out. It passes a little time.
Is it going to start auto shooting?
No,
Okay.
you have to do that.
You have to initiate the process.
You do.
What's this thing?
So now it's booted up. So now it's giving you this screen lights up. So you're going to use this white mouse, not the black mouse. The white mouse goes with the white keyboard.
Ah, the black with the black.
Yes,
Other one.
yes. Okay. So go up to System.
Where's system? Okay. Yep. Sisteme.
Click System. That's
System.
left click System. Tube warm up.
Oh, nice.
Click.
Wait, and then that says.
And you come down here and it says, do you really want to start your X-ray tube warm up? Yes, you do. So you click Run.
Run.
Ready?
Ready.
And then shut your
Collimators.
It just reduces
Shalimators.
exposure. Now it'll run it. It takes 6 minutes for it to completely run its tube warm up. When it's finished, it will tell you that it's finished.
Yeah.
And then
Is he going to be already in the system?
he will, yes. And I'll show you how to get there because it's from yesterday's session number.
Yesterday's, that's true.
Yes.
I had trouble. Oh, I grabbed that.
Oh,
I just had to
because
set
you
my
had to
filters.
set your filters.
I went to 2 days instead of 12 hours.
Or 24 would have been good. So you can sit here and you can record this for the next 6 minutes.
No. All right. Go ahead.
So this is a screen you'll see when it's finished with its tube warm up. See, X-ray tube warm up has been completed.
Wait. Okay.
Click OK. Then your work list pops up. This is your work list.
Yep.
It's going to be your work list for that day. But your patient today is from yesterday's list. So we're going to query condition. This is the screen that I can change the date. This is yesterday. If I want it yesterday, hit the drop down. Yesterday. Save query. And there's your patient.
Wait. Okay.
So
You've
got him highlighted. New study.
Stu Nutty.
You're at Fluoro's going to come up, and he's a small bowel follow through.
Yep, wait, all right, let me, I just want to make sure I don't get names. We don't have any names there. Okay.
Good. So you're going to go down to the small bowel follow through. Click it. Come over here and click commit.
I'm committed.
And now you're ready to roll.
Ready to flew.
Ready to fluoro.
Flew.
And then the radiologists know
How to do the controls. That's all there.
And then I'll come and I'll tell you how to.
Sorry.
That's okay. You have to make sure that this take control light is on, because that means you can control the table and the x-ray from this control panel, okay? So the take control, come over here, and this button here, with the little man sitting on the table, will lower the table. Cool. And it raises the x-ray tube. Okay? So now the patient will be able to get on the table safely.
Safely.
Okay?
And then to raise it back up or just leave it there?
Well, then when the radiologist comes in,
Oh, it starts.
and yeah, you can raise it up some so they can see him, but. And when the radiologist comes in and he wants to use this controller to fluoro or take exposures, make sure that this lock is lit. That means he can fluoro and take exposures with this control. So the lock has to be on and the take control has to be on in order for them to take images or fluoro.
Use this little joystick.
Right, joystick.
Whee!
Left to right.
Left to right, right to left.
Table tilt, if you would want to tilt the table, patient's head up or down for some reason. And if you're doing a spot for a small bowel, this is the control arm, the control lever that will pull that compression paddle out, push it towards the room, it pops it out and drops it down.
Okay.
And then pulling it towards yourself, retracts it.
Towards yourself.
Okay? Towards
Now the
yourself brings it back up.
The collimators, they need to be open?
Collimators,
Or do they
yeah, they don't. I'll just do them about halfway. They'll do the rest. Okay? Call me when you're...
Go.
Okay. So he's finished his studies, left, you're done. You're going to go to end study. Click it. You want your dose and your number of exposures. Click today. Patient name.
Where's the dose?
Highlight it.
Okay.
Dose
Wait,
and number of or the fluoro time and the number of exposures are here, and here's the dose.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm all done. I can go to image list. Mr. Fisher's going to be right here. These are the images that you're going to send. Don't click on them. Just leave them alone. You don't want a white frame around them. And you're going to send, PACS, send, and then eventually you're going to end up seeing an N as in nice
Nancy.
in these little boxes.
In the brackets.
And you'll also see an N up here.
Wait, where are you at? Okay.
N
Oh.
or N down here.
And there's ends.
Okay? And
There's
that's all
end.
there is.
And so he's done.
He's done.
So, okay, and then how do we close out?
Okay, so we're done. You're done using the room?
As far as I know, yeah.
You're going to go to system.
System.
You're going to go to shutdown.
Shut. Boy, that's ugly. Okay.
And you want the system to shut down. Okay. And now it'll shut down. It takes a couple of minutes for it to shut down, like it takes over 6 minutes for it to warm up. And then once it shuts down, the screens will go black. Just hit the off button. It gives the
Off
time.
button. Okay.
Okay?